Today I have the most exciting unboxing I've done in a long time, and I can't wait to open these. I just got these in the mail and I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I finally got these because these have been sold out for the longest time, and I actually didn't think that I would actually purchase these, but when I got the email that these were in stock, I kind of went mental and I couldn't help myself. I know I will be wearing these for years and years, and these are, to me, like a classic piece. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I ordered these from my Teresa, and here are some receipts and stuff. Then it has a thank you card. This package has been lovely wrapped by Maria, and yes, and oh my god, oh my god. So the box inside, it is blue and it says Prada. Some Prada boots. This is actually the first thing that I bought from Prada, so very exciting, and I can't wait. Oh my god, oh my god. It has some Prada cards. It smells good. And then it has a take care note from my Teresa. Oh my god. And these are the Prada Monolith boots, and I am in love. These are so pretty that so these are the leather and nylon version. So the upper sole is leather, and then it has nylon here at the ankle part, and then it has these small pockets, and these are the shorter version, not the taller or longer version, which came out before these. And these are actually super light. I thought these were gonna be heavier, but these are actually super light, and oh my god, they're so pretty. Let's take the other pair out. Nothing else inside. I'm so happy that I decided to get these. I still do need to try these on. I got these in a size 37, which is kind of my normal size in most of the sneakers, like Nike and everything like that. So yeah, I'm super excited about these. Even though these are like the most expensive shoe that I've actually bought. I haven't spent this much money on a shoe or nearly a bag. I do have more expensive bags than these, but still, these are super expensive. But I kind of told myself that these will be a classic piece because I've had these type of boots on my wish list from like Chanel and Louis Vuitton, but then when I saw these a couple of years ago on the taller version, I thought that these are really cute and actually go better with my style. And then when I saw these shorter version of it, I was totally sold, and I knew that one day I wanted to get these, but these are just so expensive that I didn't know if I wanted to spend the money. But I did get a small discount of these, so that's one of the reasons why I actually bought these, and also because I wanted to kind of push myself to be able to graduate from school. So yeah, but oh my god, these are just so pretty that I can't handle. I will try these on for you and let you know how these fit, and I will be doing probably a styling video with these as well. Look at these are just so pretty, and I love the fact that you can have this little pouch on it, or then you can remove it, and it has this thing on top so you can actually have it on a keychain or put it on a bag or anything like that. And you can also remove it from the strap that it's on the shoe. So I feel like the pouches do get a lot of use as well. I can put my AirPods in here and coins and stuff like that, not with the shoes, but on as an accessory maybe. So I can't wait to wear these. I know these will be great for the winter time and also for the summer. I know these will be a bit hot during the summer, but I still am so shocked that I actually got these. But yeah, let's go try these on and see how they look on my feet. And these fit so well. They are pretty narrow, so if you have wider feet, then you might want to size up or maybe try these on before you purchase these. But I did order these in a size 37 and they fit me so well. And one thing that you want to keep in mind is that it doesn't have a zip or anything, so you have to untie these and kind of keep them loose to put them on, because it is pretty narrow from the top part, so they aren't the easiest to put on. But I don't really mind it, because I feel like if it does have a zip, it is easier to put on, but it doesn't look that nice. So yeah, super happy with these, and I can't wait to style these up and wear these. If you are looking to get these shoes, I have links down below so you can have a look yourself. And yeah, let me know down in the comments if you've managed to get these shoes and if you love them or if you don't love them, and if you want to get these one day for yourself. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.